Inshallah, wish you all the best.
Visualize mat karna koi.
Salman, on your left, on your right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's said that, to work with animals and kids, it's quite difficult. And your work, you will be with the kid 24/7 if we see the entire frame. How was it working with the baby, with a small little one?
She is like, she's so beautiful. Yeah, she's like a delight to work with. I mean, I absolutely loved every moment with her on screen and the space that we shared. And she's such a beautiful girl. वो अनोखी है, एक ही piece बनी है. I think what she does, off screen and on screen, is to people is something unbelievable. She's the most gorgeous, the most beautiful child that I have ever met.
She threw any tantrums on sets?
Yes, that too.
And you had to face.
But that is a part of being that. When I at this age have not understood, I still throw them.
Salman,
Thank
sir.
you.
Salman, sir, here. Here. In the middle. Yeah. Salman, sir.
गाड़ी खाली हो गई तेरी?
Salman, sir, here in the middle. Sakhi here from Times Now. Congratulations on the trailer. We've been waiting to meet you, for a long time. And the kind of response that you've received so far has been amazing. And the kind of support that you've received from your fans and the audience also through the
सवाल पे आ जाओ ना.
also through the case proceedings has been amazing. But the promotions of the movie are going to coincide with the High Court case proceedings as well. Any apprehension, any thoughts on that?
No, we don't want to go to discuss that. We're discussing Bajrangi
Salman,
Bhaijaan. So
any-
the gentleman over there whose dadi is now half.
But
Come
I
on.
think she's just asking if it kind of affects the promotions of Bajrangi. He's not asking about
How
it.
sweet you are, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
जाके
Hi,
किसी और
Samantha,
बड़ा
can
मकाना
we just
लेके.
see a show of hands because we have no idea where the mic is. Yeah.
Hi, Karina. Interestingly, obviously you guys are together in this movie, but interestingly also, Shuddhi was offered to you and to him, which now is being done by Varun and Alia. He has given us blessings on Twitter to Varun and with you. So, which I think he said also that he was very happy about, which Salman mentioned. What about you?
I threw him out of the film. Why are you out of the film?
I left it because Hrithik was in the film first. He didn't do it then.
Then when I said yes,
I wasn't in the movie.
you were not there in the movie.
So basically, it could have been possible if both of you knew you are going to be approached for the movie.
Yes.
That's hypothetical.
बजरंगी भाईजान की बात करो ना.
Exactly.
We thought we had a lot
It's
of
gone
questions.
on.
We thought might as
All
well ask
right.
others.
Can we have
Jacket is
our
all
last
there.
You'll have
question?
enough
There's a
time. This
lady
whole
over
month
there
will have
in the
enough
blue.
Hello.
सवाल क्या था तुम्हारा यार?
Hello.
As a producer, हाँ. So as a producer, me having myself as a producer was a very safe bet.
So will the box office collection matter now since you are the producer? Matter more.
I think it will matter अगर चल गई बहुत चली तो it will matter. It will matter. Hugely matter. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो it will hugely matter. See,
Salman?
Mr. Salman Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, I have a question here. I'm Hitesh from Bangalore. It would be I know that there's a song called Selfie Le Le Re from this movie. But can I please have, and I humbly request, can I please have a selfie with the both of y'all? Please, it's a humble
Okay,
request.
we'll do photo
please,
ops
just
later.
one selfie, just one.
No, I'll tell you what we'll do. I
Just
think
one,
we're
just
going to
one.
open another Pandora's
No,
box.
I
of-
wouldn't. I promise. I'll take it on behalf of everybody, and I'm not going to.
Really?
one second.
Okay, 1 second.
One second. There is a Kareena Kapoor and there is Salman Khan standing right there. You can take it with them as well. अरे
Okay,
ये
just
मर
hold
जाएंगे
it.
भाई.
Okay, we'll do this.
आपसे
Let's
मेरा सवाल ये
just
है.
finish
The
the
song is not
questions.
selfie. It's a
Yeah.
ele le le le.
Stand up from you, ये तो चलता है. You know.
just one question.
You'll have a final word from you about why people should come and watch this film.
I think this is one of the purest films that I've done. I think it's a great movie. It's a story superbly written and extremely well told. I think this is the film to watch, and not once, over and over again. And this is the film to follow. If you follow this movie, and if you be this character, I don't think anyone can touch this country or any other country or any human being. He's such a positive character. And I think that everyone should be like these kind of characters.
Great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. There will be
no message. The
many
message
more opportunities.
is about just being who you are and just following your heart. That is, there's no message. There's no gyan. It has romance. It has love. It has a great story. It has emotions. It has drama. It has everything. It's a proper Hindi film, but it's like a very purely told story.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, the locket will be out pretty soon, and we're getting. I mean, I have people calling me for it, and it's a question of a couple of weeks. It'll be out there.
All right.
I'm really, really happy with that.
Okay,
I'm
there's a last
extremely
question for
happy with that.
Kareena.
I get-
Here, the lady in the blue. The lady in the blue, please.
आप अपसेट हो गई ना क्योंकि मैं आपको बुलाता हूँ ना.
Salman can call me whatever he likes.
I call her bebo, I call her baby, I call her sweetheart, I call her मेरी जान.
Your
little
question,
girl,
please.
Salman, you said the little girl is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah. Litika.
हाँ.
So,
One day I want. And one day very soon I want.
Just to you.
1 second, there's a lady who's already started her question. We'll come to your question next.
Kareena, my question is for you. You've worked with all the four Khans. So working with which Khan was the best experience for you?
Whichever Khan my next release is with, he's the best.
What's her next?
Fab. Okay.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Kareena, interestingly, both.
ये तो कमाल है. ये तो ना मम्मी के सामने who's better, mummy or daddy? Mummy. And daddy के सामने who's better, daddy or mummy? Daddy. Simple सा जवाब है.
Salman.
Kareena, you know,
Salman.
you've obviously.
I think if we all like peace and we want to live in harmony, I think this film will be the best film ever for that. Yeah, definitely. सर, जो मेरा एक नजरिया है फिल्में करने का कि जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म करूं मुझे वो कैरेक्टर इतना अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि जब मैं उस फिल्म से निकलूं तो आई हैव टू बी मोर दैट कैरेक्टर देन बी मी. एंड माय थिंग इज पीपल से कि हम सलमान खान को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, सलमान खान को मत फॉलो करो. सलमान खान की जो इमेज है फिल्म की उसे फॉलो करो, बिकॉज दैट इज फार अहेड जो बीइंग ह्यूमन की है और जो फिल्मों की इमेज है.
The girl here.
I've been doing that for the longest time. But the fact that we're getting this kind of, coverage, for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, it is because of Shah Rukh and Amir. It's because they were the ones who released the poster first, the first look. So, I mean, we've got those many eyeballs and, that much of, extra interest is because of my two buddy brothers.
नवाज
Salman,
यहाँ पे
my question
नवाज
to you.
नवाज
Salman,
जब हम लोग
Okay, there's a
you.
girl there in the purple. Yes.
Salman?
Okay.
नवाज over here
So that
नवाज
there is whatever.
नवाज जब
Salman, ये सवाल
Right
आपके
now,
लिए-
Other
people cannot
question, okay.
afford.
Back, Mini.
Right now, people cannot afford one
Yeah.
in two films. You want 3 in one film? Yeah, like maybe like one jhalak here, one jhalak there, one jhalak there.
Okay,
नवाज
guys.
जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले
We
थे
were
We
love-
love
we would love
Bajrangi
to
Bhaijaan
do-
questions.
We would love to
Nawaz-
do a film together. That's for sure.
is Faridoon Sharer with Zuhaib Jamadar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network. Keep on watching.